welcome to playing Ragdoll in part 3. And yeah, we're just gonna... Oh no! Oh no. Ah! Wow, look at me, I'm a fish. Whoa! Alright, so yeah, I'm on my freaking voice. Oh, whoa, ow! Wait a second, let's just do this. Whoa! Let's make it to the other place. I don't know what does this do. Hey look, we're going on the slide. But perfectly, you don't slip off of the place. Whoa! We're gonna do some parkour. Wait a second. I remember. This frigging, I can't do it. Okay. Yep. No! So, my freaking voice is a weird, a little bit Donald Duck. Alright, for this thing is like gonna be. Oh, not again. Oh, not again, not again. Yeah. Oh. No. Let's see if we can try. Hey, look, let's go on free fall and hope we don't fall at this again. Oh yeah, forget about this one. And hope we just don't fall. Let's try it again, because it was kind of weird. Alright. Alright, let me do it again. Ouch. We're back at free fall, and whoa, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Hey, don't push me, don't push me. Take it easy. Whoa, let's. Help me, let's just calm down, and we're gonna land on the pool. We're gonna land in the pool. Yep, we're gonna be back at this mountains again. Whoa! We're going to do it. We're going to do it. Oh no. So yeah, we're going again. Oh no. I wonder what this is. Whoa! Ow. I wonder what this does. Whoa, I guess we can do this. Oh, yeah, but my boys. No.